art life is a life lived around working. It could be working in any of the art forms. It could be working in cinema, music. Every medium is infinitely deep. And when you get to know them, they'll let you go deeper. This is the art life. In cinema, there's many filmmakers that make films primarily to make money, and it's more called entertainment. I love money like everybody else, but probably I would do the things that I'd like to do for free. The most valuable thing I could impart to new filmmakers is what I always say: find your own voice. Be true to that voice. Never give up final cut and total creative freedom. Never take a bad idea, but never turn down a good idea. And I just like this process of catching ideas that I fall in love with and then realizing those ideas. And I like all these different steps of creating something. I love being in it. And I feel that when you're really in it, more ideas flow. You get into it deeper and deeper, and it's a thrilling, thrilling ride. All these different art forms are thrilling, thrilling to the soul. So if you love the ideas that come along, a deep love, you will find a way to realize those. Lynch, and this is my masterclass.